A very good morning, everyone. I am back with you guys with another success story of Alisha Gautam with us, who finally, after a bit of a struggle though, but she was able to get a 7 each, and that is for your nursing registration, is it?
Yes.
So many congratulations, Alisha, from the entire English Wise family,
Thank you.
and we wish you all the best for your future. So she was able to get a score of 7 each with 68 in listening, reading 65, speaking 72, and writing 72 as well. So though your reading is a little bit on point, but that's all we need. We need the score, we need the registration done, and that is all we are after here. So guys, we're having Alisha's story is a little bit exceptional because her mock test results were not really good, right? Other modules were still okay, but she was the one who was struggling with speaking a bit, where the speaking score was literally near about 50 and the pronunciation was around 10 or 20 only. For some reason, her voice was not recognizable by Pearson. So after her Pearson mock test, it was we were able to identify, or she herself was able to realize what mistakes she was making, or why her voice was not very clear in the microphone, or what she was doing. So we've all worked upon that speaking feedback. We all tried to make her voice according to what Pearson recognizes, and now her fluency has gotten really up, and she managed to get around 72 or 73 in speaking, which is exceptional, which is almost near to 8 in speaking. So let's tell everybody, how did you make it happen, or what was the reason behind this? Like, how did it happen?
So yeah, as you said, I got only 50 over for this speaking before in my mock test. So after I got my result from mock test, and Komal and you, especially you guys, helped me a lot to make my speech good for the Pearson, and also Komal suggested me to use the Paramata earphone as well. And I just practice it on that flow, that maintain, fluency and everything. So yeah, then I got it.
Well, that's amazing. So guys, she's another example here with us who is very dedicated, who worked on the feedback, who worked really hard. She was not doubting anything. She was not doubting her capabilities. Nobody was doubting anything here. So we all just followed the strategies. We all recognized what is needed by Pearson to get the maximum possible marks, and without any doubt, without any questions, without any problems in her mind, she was the one who was following the feedback really diligently, and this is where we are ending up with a success story to share with you all again. So let's tell everybody, was there any particular module which you were struggling with, or which you thought that no, this is something of a challenge for me, and how did you cope with it?
So for me, reading section is quite hard for me in the beginning because I was having trouble with the understanding the passage, the important thing. And then I was about to lose hope, actually, I'll say. I was like, no, I can't do it, something like that. Even when I went to the exam for the first time, I was like blank. In a reading, actually, I couldn't understand anything. So yes, I did make a mistake in there the first time. And then when I came back here, Komal, you and Renu Didi, everyone was very supportive, and everyone was like motivating me to do not lose hope and trust in yourself. So yeah, and then I started focusing on the reading especially, and also speaking as well, because we will get marks from the other section as well. Then I started understanding all the process of the marking and my marking criteria and everything. Then I was like coming here every day, was not going to my work. I was feeling like I need to do it and I have to follow whatever they say. I was like fully in trust with these guys. So yeah, I follow all these instructions, all the strategies, all the modules and everything. I practice a lot. So yeah, this is my overall story.
That's amazing, everyone. So guys, again, an example which is a lesson for everybody as well, that if you want to get done with PTE, there are a lot of students who just do not prioritize things in their life, and then they just keep on coming here for a few days or a little time, and then they just take a break from PTE. What happens then is that PTE just becomes a part of your life for a really long time, and you stay with us in the institute for quite a lot of months. Guys, neither do you need it, nor do we want that to happen. So the way all of these are making it happen, they are prioritizing things in their life. If they are here for a little time, they're making sure that they're done with PT once and forever, and then you have all the time to focus on other things of your life as well. If you need to get it done, why not just get it done at the correct time and just focus on it for a little time, and then just it's over. It's not going to be a part of your life for any longer again. Right? That's what you did as well. So you're just focusing on PT for a little bit and getting done with it, getting rid of it.
Yeah, I still remember one thing that Komal said on that day. She told me that PT is not your life. This is a part of your life. So don't worry about it. You just focus on it and do it. Don't make it your life. Like, you don't rely on this for your whole time. So yeah, this is the thing.
That's amazing. So any last piece advice for the people out there who are watching you or watching your success story?
So yeah, if you want to get your desired score, don't lose hope, I would say, and just believe in yourself and your tutor as well. Like, they have all the strategies, they have a lot of people who have got their desired score. So you need to trust on these guys. These guys are making very hard work here for us. They are working very hard. So we need to appreciate them as well. And especially you, don't lose hope, believe in yourself as well, and do well. All the best.
Well, that's amazing. That's an amazing piece of advice for everybody out there. That's a huge motivation for everyone out there. So if you're sitting home in a gloomy mode or in a gloomy area of your room, wondering about what you need to do in your life, what she said is all that you need. Come here or go wherever, but just study a little bit, work hard a little bit, and then get done with the things. That's all we would like to share, and hope you have a really good time, good evening, and all the best for your PTE.